sea so blue lived a mermaid named Allie, who sang on cue with a voice like honey and giggle so loud she once made a dolphin dance on a cloud. Sing, sing, sing with Allie the mermaid, wiggle with the whale in a seashell parade, splash like soup in a seaweed stew. Allie's got a song and a starfish shoe. She sang to the clams, they clapped along, then hiccuped pearls from laughing too long. The jellyfish jiggled, the seahorses swayed, a sleepy old shark even sipped lemonade. Sing, sing, sing with Allie the mermaid, swirl like a spoon in a coral cascade, snort like a squid in a snorkel suit. Allie hits high notes that make kelp scoot. She once hit a note so loud and high it made a pirate sandwich fly. His parrot squawked, "That girl's a star." Now Allie's booked on tour near and far. She sings in caves, on rocks and reefs, even had a duet with some dancing beefs. Okay, not beefs, but a grumpy blue bass, who ended up wearing a sparkly sash. Sing, sing, sing with Allie the mermaid, twirl like a turtle at a clam buffet, laugh till you bubble, hum along too. Allie the mermaid is waiting for you. So if you hear a tune on the ocean breeze with giggles, bubbles, and harmonies, it's Allie singing with all her might. Throw in an undersea concert every night.